Make a great choice today with the 2018 Frontier. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 4.0-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sliding rear window, tire pressure monitor, aluminum wheels, stability control, rear-wheel drive, 4-wheel disc brakes, tires front all season, tires rear all season, privacy glass, traction control. Inside you'll find backup camera, keyless entry, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, MP3 player, cruise control, child safety locks, power door locks, power windows. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.